welcome to Chat Genie, where we help and empower business owners just like you to sell inside the world's biggest apps. So, in our previous video, we learned how you can create a Facebook ad that drives maximum traffic to your mini app or to a certain product in your mini app. And for today, we'll be learning how you can properly configure a Facebook ad that has messages as the objective. So, the messages objective essentially it drives conversation to your mini app. So it's a great way for customers to see your mini app, to browse your mini app, add to cart, checkout upon clicking the CTA button of your Facebook ad. So without further ado, let's get into it. All you'll be needing is, of course, your Chat Genie dashboard, and second, your Ads Manager account. So first, let's configure the ad here in your Ads Manager account. Let's click Create and create new campaign, and let's select messages as our objective. Continue. There. So now let's name this as July. New messages for July. There. And click next. So now in the new messages ad set, this is where you'll get to configure the settings of your ad. So let's just fill out accordingly. So here, let's leave that as is, click to message, but you also have the option to do a sponsored message. It's essentially reconnecting or re-engaging with existing connections or existing customers who previously sent a message to your messenger. So, but for now, let's click the message, messenger, and let's set our budget and schedule. So since this is just a demo video, let's leave this at 800, and start date, we can run it immediately. You also have the option to set an end date. So let's take, for example, we want this to run for just 3 days. So there, you can put it like that. And now let's define our audience. So you actually have a couple of options. You can create an audience, a new audience, use a saved audience, or you can also upload a custom audience list based on a customer list you already have. And you can actually easily do that with the help of your Chat Genie dashboard. I'll also link the video in the description box below. But essentially, you can extract all of the customers who've engaged with your mini app from your Chat Genie dashboard and plug it in here so you can target them with ads. But for now, let's just choose create new audience, and let's configure the audience that you want to target. So for example, for this ad, we want to target business owners. So let's configure this to 25 to, let's say, 45. I guess that's a good number. 45. So we can browse the suggestions here. So small to medium, entrepreneurship, small businesses owner, small business owner and CEO, etc. So once you're done configuring your audience, you can now either save this audience or head on to the next details or the next portion of your ad. So let's click next. So now here in the last portion, this is where you'll get to configure the actual setup of your ad, or how your ad will look like. So here, let's use Chat Genie. So you can either create an ad or you can use an existing post. So for example, we want to create an ad that has a single image. So let's upload that here. Add image. So for example, we want to use this image. Done. And you can now proceed in creating or filling out the copy that you want for your ad. So primary text, this is essentially the caption of your ad. So let's say create an online store inside your messenger. For the headline, we can put here online store inside your messenger. There. So you'll also get to see a preview of how your ad looks like here and in other placements. So that's cool. And let's leave the call to action to send message button. So this is where we'll be using our ChatGenie dashboard. Let's click edit. So let's set the greeting. So this is what the customers will see upon clicking the CTA button of your ad. So, hi Sean. So let's configure this to, let's congratulate them for clicking, for example. Good work. Okay, please let us know how we can help you. And here in the customer actions, let's select buttons, since mini app is actually triggered when we select or when we click a button. So let's set inquire as our first button. So that's how it will look like. And for the action, let's click send a post back. So here you'll be needing your ChatGenie dashboard to get the payload. So it's actually super easy. Just go to your dashboard, go to General Store Manager, click Mini App Settings, and just copy the payload setting here below. So copy and paste that here. So now, every time a customer clicks inquire, your mini app online store will pop up and they will get to browse your catalog already. So once you're already good with that, you can save and finish, or you can also add a button if you want. But for now, let's save and finish there. So let's check how this looks like. So let's get a preview in Messenger. There. So this is what your customer will see upon clicking your ad, and let's click inquire. There. So this is now your mini app, and they can now explore your product catalog. They can now add to cart, checkout, and there you have already successfully closed a sale by properly configuring your Facebook ad. That's actually it for this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks, everyone.